From log footage, we converted it to Rec 709. We adjusted the exposures, adjusted the colors, softened the image, added halation, and then added grain. And that's it. Disclaimer lang, hindi ako yung colorist ng Backyard Live. Yun ay si Ali Quiñones. Also, hindi ako professional colorist and actually colorblind ako. But we are going to try to copy yung ginawa ni Ali na color grade for Backyard Live. Malaking contribution dun sa kung ano yung magiging final look ng image. Kung paano nyo siya inilawan, kung ano yung kulay na ginamit, ano yung equipment na ginamit, ano yung camera settings na ginamit nyo. Ang settings na ginamit dun ay S-Log3, S-Gamma 3.Cine, tapos yung white balance is 4500 or 4400 Kelvin. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo dito, RGB yung lights na ginamit. Most of it are from Aputure. Lahat yun contributed a lot to the final look ng image.